Hello, how are you guys doing? We thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. Today, I'm making a royalicing with the cream of tartar. Oh, this is our royalicing, looking so beautiful, looking so creamy, and it's stable. You can see it. It's stable. So stable. Please do give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. We'll be bringing you videos on baking, cooking. So for our royalicing, let's get into it. Here we have our vanilla, a spoon of vanilla. We have the cream of tartar here, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, and I have here my egg. I'm using the egg white. I'm using 5 eggs, but I'm going to separate it. We're using the egg white, and I have my color, and of course I have my conventional sugar, your icing sugar, or some people call it your powdered sugar. So this is how we're going to be using for our royalicing. So you're having your mixer, which is important, or you can use your stand mixer. If you don't have so you can use your hand mixer. So let's get into it. So we're going to be separating the egg white, because we're using the egg white. So this is how we separate our egg white. Just remove it. So now I'm going to be removing the shell. So this is our egg white. So I'm going to be pouring my egg white and my cream of tartar, and I'll put just a spoon of sugar in for it to feed into my mixing bowl. So I'm pouring it in. My cream of tartar and it's a teaspoon of sugar. And we're going to be beating on a very high speed. We're done beating up. I'm going to reduce my speed and change my mixing tooth. In case you don't have your cream of tartar, you can as well use your lemon. So lemon can do that same job. So I'm just scraping the edges, and now we're going to be adding in our icing sugar. So we're adding them bit by bit and on a very low speed. increasing the speed now. I'll be adding in my vanilla. Okay, so I added 4 cups of icing sugar, but you can add more. It depends on what you're using it for. Oh, this is our royal icing, looking so beautiful, looking so creamy, and it's stable. You can see it. It's stable. So stable. So, thank you for watching us. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification bell. God bless you. Bye.